talking. All the way to 13. I'm not done talking. Zoe, all the way to 13, you'll be a teenager. And I know. You have a long way more to go. I know.
What's the matter, Zoe?
I'm trying to talk, but you get the dog and I can't talk.
Well, what are you trying to tell her? What are you?
I'm trying to tell her different things.
What are you trying to tell her exactly?
I'm trying to tell her that we're not kids.
You're not kids? Well, what are you then, Zoe, if you're not a kid?
We're grown-up kids.
Oh, okay. Well, I understand you're grown-up kids. It's okay. You don't have to cry about it, all right?
We are kids.
She just doesn't understand what you're trying to say, all right? Okay? Are you okay? You gonna be all right? Are you? Zoe, you gonna be okay? Okay. You sure? I love you.